Abigail, and I am a creator of Fried Watermelon Malone Challenge, and not challenge, but channel. And me and my friends, we just wanted to make a simple channel because we're all moving somewhere next year. So we came up with this channel so we can all see each other, how we grew up and changed. But my name's Abigail. I'm Italian and American. I like the color pink. Obviously you can't tell, but my room is full of pink. This isn't my room, this is my study hall, I should say. That's my room. Right there, we see that light. But I'm Abigail, and I like things like, I'm creative. I like to talk, obviously I like to talk. And I like to sing, but I also like nail polish. Yeah. I don't know, but I just like things. I don't know why. I like to dance. Yeah, but this is my introduction. I think I was crazy on it. Oh. That face I made. But I'm 11 years old. Double one. I'll be 12 in March. So I am living in Italy, which is probably shocking. You don't find that many Americans living in Italy that are Italian. But as you said, my name's Abigail, and squaw, I'm out.